Good morning and happy Friday. We made it to another Friday, almost the weekend. Today is Friday, September 25th, 2020, and it is the 18th day of school. So I have updated our coins. We have a dime, 10 cents, a nickel, 5 cents, and then 3 pennies. So that would be 15, 16, 17, 18. Very good. Today is day one, so you have Maker, and that will be at 11:45. So I'm sure Mrs. Frew has something great planned for you today. Okay, so yesterday we talked about solving a different type of math problem or math story in our math class. And that was one where we knew one of the parts and we knew the whole. So, for example, I had 3 stickers. Then I got some more stickers as a gift. Now I have 8 stickers altogether. We want to figure out how many stickers I got in that I got some more. We don't know that part, which is different than the problems we had been solving before, where we knew, I had 4 red stickers and I have 3 blue stickers. How many stickers do I have in all? You can see how this is a different type of problem. But we can use everything we know about counting and our numbers, and we can use our math counting the math way to help us solve these problems. So if, for example, we say that I had 3 stickers, I got more stickers, now I have 8 stickers, we can count on and see how many it takes to get from 3 to 8, right? So let's try that together. We are at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many did that take to get from 3 to 8? That's right, 5. So we would have 5 would be in is the part that we're looking for. That would be the mystery number and what we're solving for. Excellent, very good. All right, so we will keep working on that. And if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, please feel free. Here, I will put the flag in view, and let's go ahead. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good. So for today's schedule, this morning you will have the application problem for lesson 12 for math, and then you will also have a reading video and short activity where you are going to be completing a Frayer model like we did with the word imagination earlier this week. Instead, it will be with a new word, and you'll actually hear from Miss Taylor for this lesson. So you'll have your Frayer model. Then we will have our 10 o'clock live lesson, and we will actually be wrapping up and officially wrapping up today, although you're certainly welcome to go back and read it anytime you'd like. We are officially wrapping up our story, Tomas and the Library Lady, and we're going to start a new one next week, which I'll share with you that on our 10 o'clock class. And there won't be an activity to submit after our 10 a.m. class. I am asking if you could please bring your Wit and Wisdom workbook to our 10 a.m. class so that we can work on something together during the class. And then there won't be anything to submit after. We just wanted to give you a little bit of time if you needed to go back and catch up on anything from this week. That would give you the opportunity to do that. You're also welcome to go on Epic or go on Zearn if, sometimes during the week, if you're not able and don't have that time. We wanted to just build a little extra time in for some catch up if you need to go back and finish anything from the week, or, just provide some time to do some of those additional things that maybe you don't on a normal day. And then at 1 o'clock, we will meet again for our live math lesson, and we'll do lesson 12. And again, if you could just keep bringing the workbooks and just have the dry erase sleeve and marker handy, that is great. All right. So I also wanted to tell you about one other thing that will start doing in class. And that is having a student of the week or an all about me person of the week. So we will just start and go through the alphabet, go through our class list, and just start alphabetically. And a week before it's your turn to be the student of the week or the all about me person of the week, I will send you an activity on Seesaw that is a basically looks like a digital like all about me poster where you can use the drawing tools or type. You can take pictures if you want to just answer some things about yourself in this activity. And then whenever you're finished, you can send it back. And if you are, comfortable and okay with it, I will share it with the class on one of our live classes. And then you can present your digital all about me poster. So that will be starting. But like I said, we'll take, several weeks to go through the whole class because we'll have one person every week. So there's 18 of us, so that will take 18 weeks. And like I said, I will send you the activity a week in advance, and then whenever you're ready and you're finished, you can send it back. You know, ideally within that week, and then I can share it with the other class, and you can share. I can share my screen with your poster, and you can share and kind of walk us through it. So I just wanted to let you know that we will be starting that. Um, and again, if your name is at the end of the alphabet, this won't come up for you for a little while, but you'll get to learn about all your friends and classmates, and then, of course, everybody will get a chance. So I look forward to hearing more about everybody, and let me know if you have any questions or you need anything, and I hope you have a great morning, and see you soon.